Hey, welcome to my channel. Today we are doing a review and eyeshadow tutorial on the Morphe and Maddie Ziegler. Maddie Ziegler did a collab. It's called the Imagination palette. It's really beautiful. There's a lot of good, fun, summery colors in here. So yeah, I do a review and an eyeshadow look with this palette. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. And without further ado, let's just get right onto the tutorial. Yeah, on the Morphe site, this goes for $32 Canadian. The description, it says it comes with 20 blushing, bronze, and bright shades. So there's mattes, metallics, and shimmers, and pops of glitter. So I've already done my face makeup. Sorry, my eye's red right here. I don't know why I put these contacts on, and yeah, my eye is really red. But yeah, so today's just going to be an eyeshadow tutorial on this palette and an honest review. I really like Morphe as a brand, so I know I'll probably like these eyeshadow, like the formulation of them, because I do like Morphe eyeshadows. But yeah, so I put a base on already, and now we're going to put this, it's called Butterfly Fantasy right here. We're just going to put that in our crease. I'm going to use a Morphe M441. It looks like this. There's definitely, if you guys can see, I just put my brush into it and there's like a lot of fallout, which doesn't mean that the shadows are bad, but something to definitely look out for. And it's really chalky. I don't know if you guys can see that. Weird. I really like it too. There's a big mirror on this palette, which I love, especially if you're traveling. Or I'm gonna take the Jeffree Star JS5. It looks like this. It's kind of like an M441. And I'm gonna take that Maddie girl, so right beside the first color we used, right here. And we're just going to pop that in our crease. The color's really, lots of fallout with this palette, but the color's nice. It's really subtle. I'm going to take the Morphe M433, it looks like this. And we're going to take that color M3 right beside the one we just used. That's like kind of like a warm chocolate brown. I'm just going to buff that in my crease, windshield wiper motion. I want it mostly the darkest in my outer V. This color is really pretty. I like that color. I'm gonna go back in with the first brush that we used, and so with the M441, this color right here, Kenny. So I'm just gonna get this mostly in my outer V, a little circular motion. And then I'm just going to get a brush with nothing on it. Just kind of try to blend that out a bit. Lilac color right here, and put that in our lower lash line. Morphe M506, it's just a really small blending brush. That's a really pretty color. Okay, so I'm just going to cut my crease. I'm just going to take like a flat brush like this. Looks like that. And I'm just going to take a little bit of concealer. This is just, it's Stay Matte by Rimmel. Then I'm just gonna wet my brush. Put on Angel first. Angel. Right there. Put that in the inner. Okay, then I'm just going to take that butterfly color right there. And I'm going to take that color Crushed right there. Whoa. Super pigmented. Then I'm gonna take that Go Home color right there. More of that Kenny color. Looks like that so far. I'm gonna take a bit of that bright yellow, I think, and just kind of. Now I'm just gonna take a black eyeliner. This is by Essence. Just looks like that. I'm gonna water my waterline. I'm just going to apply Telescopic by L'Oreal. I'm just going to finish my lashes, then put some mascara on. And then I'll be back and then we'll go over the eyeshadow palette and I'll let you guys know how I like it. Yeah, so this is the finished look. I like it. I'm really actually quite impressed how the eyeshadows, how they came out. This one here, the butterfly, Butterfly Fantasy was kind of chalky, like when I was putting it all over my lid. But that's all I really got to say bad about it. These Dancing Queen and Godfather are so pretty. They are like glittery eyeshadows and they're really pretty. And the purple came out really, really, really pigmented and it was easy to blend. So I really, really, really like how she has, if you guys can see, she has like little imprints in the shadows, which is really pretty. I really like these pops of color here. These are very beautiful, all three. This whole row actually is like really summery, so it's a really good palette for the summer. Oh, I got eyeshadow all over my arm when I was doing swatches. But yeah, if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every single week. Just click the little bell notification and you get notified every time I upload a new video. So that's the end of my review. I hope you guys enjoyed. I love you and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!